Welcome to the IA Cafe.
We determine our menu early in the week. In class, we decide what we're going to cook.
We are cooking meatloaf, mashed potatoes, and gravy, and some green beans. We also made dump cake.
The students do all the cooking.
My favorite thing is seeing everyone work and also me working too. Working is quite actually fun. Would you like meatloaf?
Yes, please.
Gravy?
Yes.
Seeing the success that the students have, the interactions that they have, the pride that they take in the job that they do.
My favorite part is working in the cafe is making the food and also serving.
Having parents tell me, hey, we made shepherd's pie, and we have a day where my student cooks one of the recipes that you've had.
I've been learning how to make new foods, and I got very good at making pizza quesadillas at home.
It's fun because you serve the people and they have a delicious meal.